Hello traders, here's Jean-Pierre Muhila from Ultimate Traders Company Limited. Welcome to our second episode of UPTA, the program which has the main objective of analyzing 7 major pairs, one exotic pair, gold, Bitcoin and hitting girls before the trading week in order to give a professional technical analysis and the insight of what the market could do during the upcoming week to the traders around the world. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will not miss the next technical analysis. Hit the thumbs up, comment, share to other traders so that we can profit from this technical analysis. Before we go to our today technical analysis, let's meet after the intro. So welcome back to this new episode of UPTA, the program which has the main objective of analyzing 7 major pairs, one exotic pair, gold, Bitcoin, and hitting gas, in order to give the insight of what the market could do in the upcoming week to the traders around the world. And if you want to see how the market is reacted to our previous technical analysis, please click on the link on the top right corner of your screen in order to see how the market has reacted to our technical analysis in the last week. Believe me, someone who has followed our technical analysis has made a very nice money. So without delaying, let's start our technical analysis of today of GBPUSD. GBPUSD is currently down in a downtrend, and it is trending because it is making a series of lower lows and the lower highs. And as you may see, it is trending below the 50 moving average. Furthermore, it has reacted perfectly to this resistance we have been highlighted in the last week, because this was a significant resistance which has been tested several times in the past. So you may see this was a resistance, and once broken it became support. So our prediction was that this market could react on this resistance. The market did it, and you see that the price has started a new trending move. If the market continues lower, we will find this support. So this clearly shows us that we will be looking for selling opportunities in GBPUSD in this coming week. And to be more specific, let's go to 4 hours to show you how the market where we could sell. We have this minor support here, so we could look for, once the price breaks below this support, we could look for sell opportunity, or we can even be more conservative and look for break and retest. And our TPA, take profit, initial take profit could be on this support, temporary support for swing traders, or it can even go to this support. Otherwise, if this price pushes up, it then forms a double top in this zone, we can also look for selling opportunity. Let's continue for AUDUSD. AUDUSD is still in range, and it is trending below between 0.7617 and 0.77, and this first breakout here of this significant support is a very strong signal that this price could, this market could continue higher. To be more specific, let's go to 4-hour time frame to see how the market could react. You see that this market, it is in uptrend, and it is finding support to 50 moving average or to this trend line. So if a market gives us a very nice signal from this broken resistance which could turn support, we will look for buying opportunity, and we will find the resistance up here. The only way we can sell this market, because you see this minor resistance here, it is if the market continues and it breaks this trend line and tested it and it gives us a nice signal, then only we will be looking for selling opportunities. Let's continue with New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, it's still in a downtrend, and it has also reacted to this broken resistance support, which could turn into resistance. And if you go to 4 hour, you will see that the market has formed a double top at this zone. So this clearly shows that the market is willing to continue lower, but to the nice trades will happen if we break and close below this neckline. Then we will look for shorting opportunities. The only way we can look for buying opportunities, it is if this market make a higher low and break and close above this resistance. Only then we could look for buying opportunities, but the high probability for this trade in the upcoming week, it is sell opportunity. Let's continue our technical analysis with Euro USD. Euro USD has also reacted to a previous resistance and it bounced back there. And in fact, it is still in a downtrend. And you see that this is a broken support which could turn resistant, and the market is already reacted to this zone. If we go to 4 hour time frame, you will see that the market it is making this pattern, which it seems like a head and shoulder pattern. So this is called to be the right shoulder. So the best setup will happen if the market break and close below this neckline, and then we will look for selling opportunities. That is what we are expecting in this market in the upcoming week. USD Japan Yen. Let's continue with USD Japan Yen. USD Japan Yen, it is still in an uptrend, and it has already started this trending move. Unfortunately, we don't see the significant resistance which where this market could pulse from. So to continue buying this market, we need to break above and close, and base break and close above this temporary resistance. It is not a major resistance, it is a temporary resistance. So we will need to be very conservative to trade this pair. If it gives us a signal here, it shows that it is going to make a Fed top here, then we will look for selling opportunity. For buying opportunities, I myself will be conservative. I need the market to break and this resistance, retest it, and after it retest it, then I will look for buying opportunities. Both scenarios are possible in the upcoming week. We need to check the price actions and see how to react to this temporary resistance in order to determine which buyers we are going to follow. Let's continue with USD Swiss. USD Swiss this week has made this consolidation to get the insight of what it could do. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. So we have this nice range from the last week. The range between 96.59 and 0.9540. So I hope we all see this range. So the best way to trade this market, it is to wait this range to break. So if USD breaks and close above this range, we will look for buying opportunity. You can even be conservative and wait for break and retest, and then look for buying opportunities. In other case, if the price continues lower and it breaks and closes below this support, we look for break and retest and then go for selling opportunity. Sorry, but our take profit will not be beyond this support because this is the major daily support which can bounce up the market. So the high probability from this market for me, myself, it is the buy opportunity, and I will wait to see the market price close breaking and close above this high, because the market is consolidating just at the golden zone of Fibonacci retracement. You see it is consolidating between the 50 to 61 Fibonacci retracement zone. So this is a good indication that the buyers could step in from this zone in very soon. Let's continue with USDCAD. USDCAD is in a range, and it has broken this minor resistance support we had here, which could now turn into resistance. So in a lower time frame, we can clearly see that the market is in a downtrend on the forward time frame because it is trending below 50 moving average, and in addition, it has broken this support. So if the USDCAD pushes up in this zone and they give us a nice signal, we will continue. We will look for selling opportunities, and our take profit will be in this daily support. So these are the technical analysis of the major pairs, and now let's look on USDZAR, which is our exotic pair. USDZAR, it is in a range. It is in a range because of it is trending between these tops and these two bottoms, and currently it is in trending down. The high probability for this trade will be to see the market breaking this support, this minor support, and if it does so, we will look for break and retest and continue lower. That is what I will be looking for this market in the upcoming week. Another scenario, it is if USDZAR make a double bottom here or a triple bottom and break and close above 15.7, and then I could also look for buying opportunities in this zone, and my take profit will be in this resistance. Let's see what we could expect in gold. As we mentioned in the previous week, gold has reacted to this minor resistance we have been highlighted here, and you can see that it is trending below this 50 moving average. And so in short term, gold, it is in down trend. It managed to make this double top here, which is a good signal that this market could continue lowers in this upcoming week. I will only look for buying opportunities if gold breaks and close above the 50 moving average or this high. Only then I will look for buying opportunities, but I will pay attention to this broken support which could turn into resistance, because the market could pulls back from that resistance. Let's continue for natural gas. So natural gas is in upward trend, but it has made this double top here, as we mentioned in our previous technical analysis. So the high probability for this coming week, it is that if natural gas pushes lower and closes below $80.06, then I will continue to look for selling opportunity, and my take profit will be on this moving average or at this low. I will need to manage this trade aggressively, but I will be looking for selling opportunity in this market. Let's wind up our professional technical analysis on Bitcoin USD. So Bitcoin is still making a consolidation in this zone, as we mentioned it in the week before. So a very nice way to trade this market will be to wait and see where the price will break. So because it is a strong support, if Bitcoin break this resistance of 32,414.90, then we can look for a breakout, or we can look for buying opportunities. If Bitcoin pushes up and breaks above this resistance, we could look for buying opportunity, as we was predicting from the previous week. Or if it continues down and breaks below this support, it will be a good signal that sellers are willing to continue lower. Then I will look for selling opportunities, and my take profit will be to this support, because there's also the next support which the Bitcoin has used in the past, as you can see it here. This is our technical analysis for this upcoming week. Please, if you like this technical analysis, hit the like button. And please, if you have another asset or another currency pair you want to analyze, let us know in the comment below. We'll be very glad to analyze with you. And don't forget to share this technical analysis to your fellow traders, so that they may also profit from this technical analysis. Ciao.